Right now I'm walking with my beautiful compatriot, my lifelong... Don't hide from the camera. Don't hide. Hey, yeah. Anyway, Yolette and I are here at section 14. She's somewhere here. Here, let me see. Come on, Yolette. They all want to see you. Anyway, she is actually, she's everything here. So we have a little demonstration today, a little video to upload. All right, well, anyway, right now she's waiting for the makeup crew, and she's the main star of all our videos, naturally. But anyway, stay tuned. Okay, Paul Kacheroff here with 423buyland.com. We are now at lot number 26, and we temporarily halted operations because the storm came through yesterday and everything was wet. Well, we're here, we're starting the burning, and this is an opportunity for you, if you follow YouTube, to see the burning process and see how we progress with this lot. A little exciting. Anyway, I'm here on a street called Brackenridge. Brackenridge is a great street that runs around the outside of the subdivision. And of course, lot 26 is a very special lot at 14,000. It's all about the boat ramp, guys, and it's oversized. You have 20% more land in this lot. The average lot is around 4,000 square feet. This is 5,200 square feet. It's an oversized lot across the street from the boat ramp. You can walk to the boat ramp, you can grab your kids and walk across the street with a fishing pole and a tackle box. If you're on Labor Day and you have people over and you've been drinking alcohol, you don't have to worry about driving. Really great. Anyway, let me show you Brackenridge real quickly. There's a neighbor. Beautiful property. And as I pivot, there's lot number 26. Okay, let's check this out real quickly. Now, we sold the lot across the street from lot 26 last year. We expect them to be developing sometime soon. Really nice people, our customers. They're vetted. You can't get a nicer family than that. We met them, veterans, just outstanding people. Outstanding people. Here's lot 26, and as you can see, we just started the burning process. We have a lot of debris in front of us. I've opened up the center of the lot. We're leaving the back because there is a country highway that goes behind there. And we've been told by many people, do not clean swipe the property and go to the back. As you can see, I have the president and CEO of the company is here. She's come here to make sure that everything goes properly. And this is Yolette and my little elf. And I know what you're thinking, guys. I know what you're thinking. She has an uncanny resemblance to Axl Rose when she wears that bandana. She's gonna start singing "Welcome to the Jungle" soon, you know. Anyway, we got our fire going. This is pretty cool, and I know that I'll get fired if I don't jump in on this. And by the way, I have to do this every video. The selling point on this property is the extra 40 foot of land, extra 30 foot of land, and of course the boat ramp. So I'm gonna make it a point to always get to the back real quickly to do a quick shot of the boat ramp for people that are out there haven't seen the previous videos. So here we are. We're going down the lot line. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm gonna leave that back row of trees that you see. I'm gonna leave all that as a blockade. You got an extra 30, 40 foot of land, it won't matter. That'll give you the privacy you need, keep some camouflage. And you cannot enter from here, as per county rules, but you're there, guys. You are there. Check this out. Boom. Boat ramp. You can see people are already there. They're fishing, and the open water is right around the corner. And of course, that right there is more valuable than the boat ramp sometimes. So anyway, people park their cars there. But anyway, Paul Kacheroff, You know, I'll give you a back view of this lot. Check this out. There's the back view. You can see the fire there. You can see that when people drive by, there's the other lot marker is right there. So you can see that when people drive by at a fast rate, what can they see? Really nothing. You see that? They see nothing. So if you leave that back row of trees, which is what we're gonna do, you have a lot more privacy than you realize. You know, you can see more on the lot looking out than they can see actually looking in. So anyway, good stuff here, guys. I'm hoping the next video that I do, I'll have most of this brush done. You know, the lot will look just so nice. This has been a really nice lot for us to do. It's really rewarded us. The layout, the trees are all shade trees, they're tall trees. You're not like the other typical lots. I think probably because you're closer to the water. And all this stuff is going to be gone. And I'm fighting not to drop these trees, but people are saying, no, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. So, and by the way, that tree is for good luck. They say if you get a tree with a bend in it, it's good luck in Texas. So, but 423 buy land. Call or text me 7 days a week, guys. Call or text me 7 days a week, up to midnight. You know, normally after 8 o'clock, people will text me because we're advertised in Alaska. We're advertised in San Diego. I think I have an ad running in Hawaii right now. And of course, you know, with the turmoil around the nation, everybody's calling me from Chicago, New York, and what have you. But this is a beautiful, beautiful property. And we are doing the hard stuff for you. Well, it's not really hard. Don't even kid yourself. The weather is stunning. 70s in the morning, cool breeze. If this were the middle of July, I would say, hey, let us finish this. Guys, this lot is nearly done. Take it over. We'll catch you a good deal. Paul Katroff, 423 buy land, and lot 26 is underway. Take care. Have a good day. Hi, Paul Katroff with 423buyland.com. Right now I want to show you an example of a fully done lot, a lot that's been finished. These are lots that we've sold. Dave and Val do a fantastic job, and this will give you an idea what your lot will look like when it's finished. All the lots look the same when we clear them. Real rough looking with undulating ground and dips from trees that are falling over. But when they're done, I think you'll find that they really do look super. Now, right here is lot number 40. And we sold this lot, and our customer came through and he used Dave and Val to do the development, and they installed the dirt pad. As you can see how nice this property looks. Well, this had lots of dips and everything from trees that were falling over and gone. So this is a beautiful example of a fully developed property. Okay, so check this out. When you look at now, the homeowner has done a fantastic job of installing a fence. Fences look great no matter how you cut the keg. They're beautiful. And this customer was fantastic with us, a wonderful individual. But you can see the freshly laid dirt. You can see the elevation if you look at it. The distance from the ground is this much higher. So there's such great elevation, there's such great drainage. It really doesn't matter what the lot looked like before. In Texas, you have to bring in dirt. Now, I've had people say to me, well, Paul, what if I clear the land, pulled an RV onto the property, and waited a month or two? No. The rate at which an item can sink is literally in 48 hours. We had somebody sink an RV up to their axle in 48 hours. Texas dirt is fresh Texas dirt, no matter how you cut the keg. So all of our customers need to install dirt pads. Across the street is lot 57. And yes, you know, we've done really well this month, and we've sold lot 57. Beautiful corner lot. Come take a look at this pad. This pad was done, I think, within the last couple of weeks, and they're pulling a unit on. And this is a great example of a lot that you don't need to cover the entire lot with dirt. It's up to you. The more money you put in the lot, the more dirt you have. Dave and Val will tell you exactly how much dirt you need. So when you meet with them, you'll know exactly what to do. Now look at this pad. This is a pad just meant for an RV. It's beautiful, well done. It's beautifully sloped. It's nice and smooth. Look at the distance. It's about this high off the ground. That's the elevation. It's about, I'm going to say about 4, 5, 6 inches from the ground. Beautiful elevation. When they move their unit on here, they're never going to step off into water. It's all going to drain out, and that's what they do. To the next door is another lot that Dave and Val finished, and of course the people moved the cabin on. These people opted not to do a single pad like you see here. They said, Dave, Val, we have the money, just cover the whole lot with dirt. You can't lose either way. It's all up to you what you want to do with your property. You do have to do the very least, which is a real nice pad like this, which is very inexpensive. So back at this lot, I think it's just a great visual. This was just the most recently done lot. This is what your lot will look like that you buy from us when you're finished with it. So I want to thank each and every one of you out there for watching our videos and spending the time. Our lots are ready to go. We're ready to sell them. If you're interested, contact me or text me at 423-BUY-LAND. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.